To fix mobile data problems on the POCO X8 Pro, you can try to open the settings, navigate to more connectivity options. Next, you will have to go below into this one to reset that mobile networks. And here you can select which SIM card you want to reset and click reset. And if it is not working, you can also go here, and what you can do, you can simply turn off and then turn on your SIM card back, but also you can set up, for example, the access point name. So if you have some problems, you can just simply restore them to the default settings, or you can just, customize them to your preferences. So you can reset here or customize them by going here. And what you can also do here, you can select the preferred network type. Sometimes switching into the LTE fix those problems. So you will just for a few moments turn off that 5G. But what we can do here, we can also turn off the Wi-Fi calling, and this is everything. And by the way, sometimes you can try to select carrier manually. So we have to turn it off, just everything. Then it's gonna search for nearby network operators, and when they will be available on the list, you can just select them, connect, and that's all.